All right, I know. I've been slacking on the videos, but I got one for you today. Ready to paint, baby. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So on today's project, we're just gonna go ahead and paint this room that we're in now. It's kind of like a office space, not really a bedroom. There's no closet, but it is connected to the room next door, so they can use it as an office or whatever they do want to use it for when I rent it out. But I want to go ahead and prep this room. We're gonna go ahead and sand a little bit, put some mud on the walls to cover up some imperfections, and then use the airless spray that my wife bought me a couple months back. So let's get into it. Listen, I hate forgetting things. I had to run to Lowe's to go get construction paper because I thought I had some. I had to go get some tape. So I'm gonna cover the floor, cover the windows, and then we'll probably cover up some imperfections on the wall with some mud, and then we'll just keep it rolling. All right. All right, so floor is done. The window behind me is done. So what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and sand a little bit of the baseboards and probably some of the window, just so that way the paint can stick a little bit better. There is like a lot of rust spots and a lot of like paint drip and stuff like that. So I want to see if I can smooth it out. That way when I go over it with the paint, it'll look good. I didn't really want to do too much. This is a rental. I just kind of want to get it in a better condition than what it is now. These guys didn't do anything for the last 30 years before we bought it. But let me show you what it looks like real quick before we get started with the sanding. So floor is pretty much good to go. Got all the nooks and crannies covered. Then we got the window sealed up nice and tight. And like I said, I just want to kind of get rid of some of this stuff like that there. Cover that up. Get some wood filling, cover all these little holes up here. Make sure we paint the door. I'm gonna have to get a new doorknob. This thing's has seen better days. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I also want to mud this piece right here, this piece over here. Want to get this fixed up a little bit too, so it is some work, but we'll get it done. So let's keep grinding. All right, so I got my sander. This is a Milwaukee sander. It came with a bunch of tools that I bought for Black Friday last year. It's actually been really handy. I've used it a couple times already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scuff up the baseboards and moldings with this stuff, and I'll see if we can kind of get it a little bit smoother and ready for paint. So let's get to it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 2. So today we're gonna go ahead and start painting. As you can see from the suit that I'm wearing, Now, yesterday when I was recording, I realized that my mic had died, so some of the audio got cut out. So let me go ahead and get the gun ready for paint, and then we'll start filming. Let's go. All right, guys, so the Greco gun is all primed. Before I start painting, I'm just gonna go get my mask, and then I'm gonna throw on this hood so I don't get paint all over myself, and then we'll jump into a quick time lapse. Let's get it. All right, guys, mask is on, hoodie's on, gun primed. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I just finished painting the wall behind me. The gun is amazing. This probably took me 15-20 minutes. The only thing I dislike about the gun is that I had to fill up 4 or 5 times since the container isn't that big. Not a big deal, but I wish I could just do it all in one shot. It would have been a lot easier. But at the end of the day, it was a wife for my gift. I love it. Hand painting this probably would have taken me 2 hours because I had to cut every corner and then, you know, roll it on. So this was definitely a time saver for me and for us, as we're trying to get this rented by the 1st of October. All in all, the gun is amazing. I recommend it to all of you guys. If you guys have small projects at home that you guys want to use this for and don't want to go ahead and use a paintbrush, by all means, this is definitely worth it. You can paint some cabinets, a couple other small things really quickly. This small room as well, you can go ahead and do something like that at your house as well. Just again, just keep in mind that you have to probably refill it 3 or 4 times depending how big the room is or your project is. So other than that, guys, I will catch you in the next video. We're going to continue the renovation series. Vlog number 3 should be out after this video, or 4, I can't remember the numbers, but stay tuned for that. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it for you guys to come on this journey with me. We're getting really close to the final reveal of this unit. Like I said, we're aiming for October 1st for the unit to be available for rent, so we'll see how that goes. So enjoy the rest of the day, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.